Are you drowning in AI tools that are supposed to save you time, but somehow make everything more chaotic? You've got ChatGPT open, a design AI in another tab, maybe something for automation too, yet you're still manually juggling files, copying, pasting, and praying your workflow doesn't fall apart. Sound familiar? Before we fix that, take a second to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below, especially if you've ever screamed at your screen while managing 5 tools at once.
Now imagine this. What if all your tools could actually talk to each other?
Not just your AI tools, but your everyday apps like Google Sheets, Gmail, or Slack. And what if you didn't need a developer or a lick of code to make it happen? That's where Zapier comes in. Yes, Zapier. It's not new and it's not flashy, but it's quietly becoming one of the most essential tools in the AI space. Why? Because it connects your AI stack, like ChatGPT, Claude, and Midjourney, to your regular productivity tools. That means you spend less time babysitting your workflow and more time actually getting work done. Here's how it works. Zapier runs on what they call zaps. Each zap has a trigger, like a new lead in your CRM, and an action, like sending that lead's info to ChatGPT to generate a personalized email. Zapier can then save that draft in Gmail or send it off automatically. In other words, you go from lead generation to outreach without lifting a finger. Here's a real-world example. Your form captures a new lead. That lead lands in Google Sheets. Zapier sees it, sends the info to ChatGPT, which writes a cold email. Then it's either saved in Gmail for you to review or sent right away. Boom, no manual steps, no context switching, just real automation. And it doesn't stop there. You can use Zapier to add leads from forms or ads straight to your mailing list, save email attachments directly to the cloud, auto-post new content to your socials, send appointment reminders, or update your calendar. Trigger: welcome emails or follow-ups after a purchase. Generate invoices automatically when you make a sale. Track expenses directly from email receipts. Notify your team about new tickets or sales. Add to-dos from forms or inbox messages. Set out-of-office replies while you're away. Zapier integrates with over 8,000 apps, and if you can think it, there's probably a Zap for it. Now, before you get too excited, there's one thing to watch out for. Zapier's pricing model can be a little frustrating. You're billed per task, which means a few workflows can quickly balloon into a hefty monthly bill. Some users have even seen price hikes of 400%, paired with lower task limits. So while Zapier is incredibly powerful, you need to be strategic. Use it where it matters most, and lean on direct integrations when they're available. Bottom line, Zapier isn't just a nice-to-have. It's becoming the glue that holds AI-powered workflows together. If you're serious about cutting busy work, improving focus, and keeping your stack streamlined, Zapier could be your new best friend. And remember, automation helps, but it's not a substitute for strategy, creativity, or showing up. Want to go deeper into AI productivity tools? Watch the related video popping up in the corner right now.